Hi, I am Mera Lona. I am here to tell you the difference between Hong Kong Convention and the EU Recycling Convention. As of November 2022, the Hong Kong Convention still waits for its ratification and will enter into force 24 months after it has been ratified from 15 states, representing 40% of the world's merchant shipping by gross tonnage.
The main goal is to ensure that ship design, construction, operation, and preparation, as well as ship recycling facilities, are carried out in a safe and environmentally sound manner. It also seeks to establish an appropriate enforcement mechanism for ship recycling, such as certification and reporting requirements. The Hong Kong Convention places the responsibility for its enforcement on the flag state and recycling state of the vessel. A ship to which the convention applies may be subjected to inspection by officers permitted to ascertain whether the ship is compliant in any port or offshore terminal of another party. If the ship is found to be in breach of the convention, the inspecting party will take steps to warn, detain, dismiss, or exclude the ship from its ports. The Hong Kong Convention. Key highlights. The convention suggests an initial survey to be carried out to verify the inventory of hazardous materials, additional surveys during the life of the ship, and a final survey prior to recycling. Ship recycling yards will need a ship recycling plan for each specific ship, explaining the exact manner of the process and assuring the safe handling and disposal of hazardous materials. An appendix provides a list of hazardous materials, the installation or use of which is prohibited or restricted in shipyards, ship repair yards, and parties to the convention. The ship recycling plan has to be implemented safely by trained workers taking all safety precautions and having adequate updating on the progress. A detailed ship recycling completion report is needed since transparency is of utmost importance. In the ship recycling yards, the parts of the ship are melted and used in steel mills, and the engines, generators, and panels are resold. Lifeboats and furniture are resold to local fishermen and other coastal communities. EU Ship Recycling Regulation at a glance. According to the EU Ship Recycling Regulation, as of December 2018, EU-flagged vessels that reach the end of their operational lives will be recycled in facilities included on the European list of approved ship recycling facilities. The regulation enhances the Hong Kong Convention requirements, but also includes additional safety and environmental ones, overall setting higher standards. It includes requirements for toxic waste management as well as labor rights, and the beaching method is banned. Furthermore, EU-listed ship recycling facilities are subject to more scrutiny since independent certification and auditing third parties are allowed to submit complaints in case they suspect that a listed facility is not complying with the regulation. Overall, the EU list acts as an important market differentiator for shipyards that have invested in occupational safety and environmental standards. EU Ship Recycling Regulation. Key highlights. From December 2018, EU-flagged commercial vessels above 500 GT, or third-party flagged vessels called at European ports, have to be recycled in ship recycling facilities that are included on the European list, EU list, of approved facilities. The list was first established in 2016 and is being updated from time to time to add additional compliant facilities or remove those who don't comply. Currently, it includes 34 shipyards globally. The facilities that are included must comply with certain safety and environmental requirements. For European facilities, the national authorities of the member states specify to the Commission which of them are compliant. Facilities in third countries that want to recycle ships with a flag of a member state need to apply to the Commission in order to be included in the EU list. Ships will be obliged to carry on board an inventory of hazardous materials from December 2020, and EU-flagged vessels scheduled to be recycled after December 2018 ought to have a Ready for Recycling Certificate, RRC. Having a RRC means that those vessels will only be sent to the yards included in the European list of ship recycling facilities. This table compares the two conventions. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.